Special fried roasts. One cup of maida. Half cup of suji. 200 grams of sugar powder. 2 TBSP of ghee. 1 TBSP of poppy seeds. 1 TBSP of fennel seeds. Pinch of elaichi powder. 1/4 TSP of baking soda. 1/2 TSP of salt. Few chopped almonds. Few chopped cashews. Quarter cup of milk. 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Add maida in a mixing bowl. Add suji. Add poppy seeds kush. Add salt and fennel seeds. Add baking soda and elaichi powder. Add grated coconut. Add beef. Add milk. Mix all the ingredients well. Add sugar powder. Give a mix. Add some water, and make dough. Dough is done. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. Make equal portions of dough. Dust some flour, unroll dough into a thick chapati. Make round shape roat with the help of small cup or glass. Roats are done. Time to fry roats. Heat oil. Dip roats in oil. Fry on low flame. Flip on other side when they turn into brown in color. Remove fried roats in a plate. Apply ghee and garnish with chopped cashews and grated coconut. Tasty and soft roats are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.